So first we'll start off by creating a document. So we'll first start off by opening up our layers panel, and then we're going to create a square that's going to go as our background layer. We'll change the color of our square to whatever we want. I'm going to choose orange, and we'll just make sure that that square fills up our entire box. So then our next step is to create another layer. Now this next layer will be our text layer. So we just create a text box, make it as big as our page, and we'll turn our font size down to about 140. I'm going to make white text so it really stands out on the page, and then just type in whatever you want. So I'm going to go with Wartburg. So after that, you can just center it on the page. And now this is when we're going to start our grunge look. So we'll start off by opening up a paintbrush. I'm going to use Splatter paintbrushes. I've already downloaded some from Google, so if that's what you want to do, you can just open up this arrow and go to Load Brushes, and then it'll load in the brushes that you want that you've just downloaded. So since I already have them, I'll just choose a brush that I want to use, and I'll bring the brush size down so it's not quite so overwhelming. Now I'll click on my letter, and it'll ask if I want to rasterize the type. I say yes. And then I'll go into swatches. I'm going to make it black so it's easy to see. So then you can just kind of add it in wherever you want, like that. I'll choose a different brush, bring the brush size down again, and just kind of add that in. So now that we have that, we can go on to making the grunge look happen. So make sure we're still in the same layer and use our magic eraser tool. Now you just click on the parts of the letter that you want to be erased. And that's what's going to make the letter look a little edgier. And so then you just take out whatever parts you don't think you want. It's completely up to you. Just make sure that the letter's still pretty recognizable once you're done. And we'll call that good. So then we'll go into our other layer, and this is how we're going to get our splatter paint look. Okay. And we'll just add in some other splatter paint brushes. I'll make it black so that it really stands out. Add that in. Choose another one, make it white, and bring it down a little bit. And there you go. There's your new poster.